Hi friends, I am Rajnikant, Excel Guru, the second part of MIS. It is part 2. I mentioned like this is part 2. I already uploaded part 1, now it's part 2. Okay, if anybody wants this part 1, part 1. Okay, now question number 6. Till 5 I was completed. Now 6. What I said here, in this sheet I am having data validation, so find the validation, color it as shown in the image. It is image, right guys? It's an image. So where is data validation? You have to find in this sheet. Okay. So here is a great thing. Press function key. It will show you go to special. Here you find the validation. Here it is, data validation. Okay, all. Then automatically this cursor will go wherever it is, the data validation is there. See, here it is there, it seems. Okay, understood guys? It is very important. This question asked from the reputed company. These are the questions. These 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 5 questions asked major companies. I don't want to reveal the company names, but it's a major. Okay, major companies, maximum companies. Out of 100% companies ask these 5 questions. Okay, now coming to another part, question 7. Here, what I said, tell me what the formula I used here. See, here nothing is there. See, you can do anything, but nothing is there. Here also you can change the data validation, but here you can't do because I protected. Okay, if anybody wants how to do this one, please mention in the comment box, so that I will shoot again about this video, how to hide only the formula. Whatever formula you did, how to hide that one. No one should see and no one should edit and no one should do anything. Just it will be hide like this. Okay. If anybody wants this file, please let me know in the comment box. And if anybody wants how to do this one, I will shoot another video only on this. So I remove this one. Now see the formula. What I said, what I did, we look up for this one, PQR, not PQR. Let's see, DGF. Okay, DGF. What I did in the DGF, I counted only 3rd column and 6th column. Okay, if you want, you can see it here. I counted, by taking DGF, I counted 3rd column and 6th column. 3rd column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3rd column, 6th column. Okay. It's random number, so it will change accordingly when I press any enter or the mouse click. Okay. Now here see, observe guys. Right. If you want to change, if you want to add some more after 3, I want to add 4th one also. Enter. So 4th one, DEF, 4th one, DEF. What are they? F2, 3, 4, 6. DEF, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 30, 79, right? See. Okay. Now here, what I said, I want to add only the unique values count. I want to add only unique values. Duplicates are there. These are all duplicates. See, again repeated the same thing. So I want only the unique one to add. Okay. There is a great function called the sum product. Every time I will use this sum product only. Just for a while, I am giving a break for 1 or 2 minutes. Please check it. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment box. Only 1 or 2 minutes. Back, guys. See how to add. If you add total, what it will happen? Alt equal. So 5700. So I don't need 5700. I need only the unique values. These values count only. How much it is? 2850. I'll show you here. Only the unique values, right? Sum of only unique values. These values only I have to add. Okay. I have to get answer 2850. Here I got it. See, in a image. Okay. I'll show how to do. First of all, you have to extract the unique values. Okay. What you will do? Okay, it's not enough. I'll do here is equal to countif. Open the bracket. Select the data. Control Shift down arrow, up arrow. F4, locking from all sides. It will expecting single criteria, but I am giving the same criteria. Okay, same criteria I am using. Okay, F9. So it will show you two, all twos are there. Okay, so we are interested only in the one, not twos. Okay, so what will do? 1 divided by 1 divided with the whole thing, F9. So it will become 2 will become 4 5s. 1 2 3 4 5s. Okay, it will like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5s. 1 2 3 4 5s like this. Okay, because I am dividing 1 by 2. Sorry, 1 by 2. Sorry, 1 by 2. Not 1 by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5, 0.5. Dividing it in 2 parts. Only it's showing 1. Okay, now sum product is a great function. Every time I'll use this one only. Sum product into. Okay, sorry guys, I used to take actually this one. I took this one. This is the unique values. F4 comma F4, this one, multiply by this one. Control Shift down arrow, F4, close parenthesis. Now control enter. What's wrong in this? 1 divided by. Okay, we'll do like this. Control enter. What will happen? Wait a minute, guys. Select this one, F9. Yes, it is shown to right exactly. Now what's wrong in this? Okay, this one is right only. I don't know why it is taking this one. F4, the same part. Control C, the same part. Control V. Control enter. Come on, what will happen? Yeah, somewhere something wrong, guys. Maybe I forgot the parenthesis. Wait a minute. Tough. Yes. Okay, somewhere see what I did. Here 18 are there, but I took 19. Okay guys, now coming to ninth one. Okay, before going to ninth, just look into this formula and understand. If anybody have doubts, ask me in a comment box. I am back guys. Here it is. What I said, I want only the name should display here like this. I don't need the address, all email address. I need only the ABC, DEF, GHI. Everyone thinking that just copy and paste, right? Right guys, let's see. But one thing guys, it's not a dynamic. Okay, it's not a dynamic. Okay, so you have to make it dynamic, that whenever it change, it has to change here also. Okay, so observe guys. First of all, we'll make it a count, because we are interested only in the blank cells like this. Okay, only in blank, because it has to check upwards, sorry, downwards. This one, if it is blank, then check this one. If it is blank, then check this one. If it is blank, check down one. Okay, is equal to search. Search is expecting find text. Search, not search guys. Take this one till down, right. F4 equal to blank. I selected this upwards because I need this one. If I select this from starting from this one, it gives you the error. If you want, you can try guys. F9, see, wherever it is blank, it is showing the true and the remaining are false. So here I am doing counting. Okay, sum product, double negative. I have to write, because it's a comparative operator, so I have to wrap that one in parentheses. I need this one, control C, control enter, or totally 6 are there. Is equal to index, open the bracket, from here to here, F4, log from all sides, small if, open the bracket. If you find any blank, give me the row number. I copy this one, because so many times I have to use this one. Control C, control V, minus row, control V. I've copied that one. So many videos I explained why I am taking this type of formulas. Okay, rows, where we are A6, $6, A6, close parenthesis, close parenthesis, close parenthesis, until you see the black parenthesis. Every time blank parenthesis will be the starting parenthesis, starting bracket. Okay, starting open bracket. Control shift enter. Okay, I forgot somewhere, F2, small if, O minus rho, somewhere wrong, C, Y20, all of 44. Okay, what's wrong is again, small if, I'll make it this one, array. Okay, the array, this is not array, this whole thing is array. Okay, F9, 0. What's this? So we need to, I did multiplication here side. See guys, you have to add 2. Okay, not multiply by 1, you have to add 2 plus 2, because we are interested in this one. It will consider as a 1 and this consider as a 2. So we need from here, whenever it finds the blank, it has to go to down. The blank one, the empty one will be the 1, and again will be the next one will be the 2. Control shift enter. drag forward till end. Okay, now coming to 10th one. Here what I said, I want the commission to calculate as per the sales representatives. Okay, these are the sales representative. I have to calculate the sales representatives commission according to the product and the commission. Okay, here I did C is equal to, as usual, some product is anything, control shift down arrow F4 equal to this downwards, so what it may be, just leave it off, nothing will happen because we are dragging down only, no issues. Multiply by this whole thing. Again I have to use brackets. F9 missing parentheses are. Okay, only this part I want to check. Okay, only this part. F9. Array 1 F9. See, 459 all are there. Control Z, control enter. So we got the amount. As per this amount we need the commission based. Okay, into index, this whole thing I need F4 comma with matching details, with matching criteria, with sales representative, this one comma in this range F4 comma 0. I need total data, so I'm in column I'm keeping as a blank. Okay, control enter. Okay, actually it is an array. Wait a minute guys, it's an array, so you're not supposed to do it like this. You have to select, control enter, double click. I think where I did went wrong. Everything is correct, but I think it went wrong somewhere. F2. See, I have not logged which one I did. Yes, this one I did not logged. The green one, this one, the purple one. F4, control enter. Okay guys, if anybody wants, if anybody needs a query, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you guys, thanks for your support, have a nice day.